Hi, so first things first, you're gonna want to download the community version of Hisoutensoku from either the Hisouten Discord server or from the Delta's FR site. You just go into resources here and it's this link at the top. If you have the game downloaded from elsewhere, you won't have the same plugin system that the community version uses, so I'd recommend simply downloading it from here. Assuming you already have the game, you can click on this improved rollback read more link. Yeah, scroll down and download 5.5 and click here and go download 6.5. Alright, now that we have everything we need, first I'm gonna make a fresh Soku folder. Alright, now inside the Soku folder you need to go here and go into modules and create 2 new folders. I'd recommend making different folders for both of the Giuroll versions that we just downloaded. So I'm gonna name one of them Giuroll 6.5 and the other one Giuroll 5.5. And I'm gonna put in the necessary files from the zips that we got. You need to go into here and drag these in. For 5.5 I'm doing the same. Boom. Alright, now that we have both our Giuroll folders in the modules section, you need to come back out to the Hisoutensoku folder and go into this one, SWRS Toys. If you double click on it, it should be able to open up with the default notepad app that Windows has. Alright, first things first, you need to come down here and put a semicolon and space next to SWR Roll, because that's the previous rollback module and we don't want that to interfere with the new one that we're downloading. First we need to write the name of the module. Afterwards you need to type out the directory. So same as everything else here, it's gonna be modules and then the name of the folder that we put our DLL in, which is Giuroll 6.5 / Giuroll.dll. And then I'm gonna do the same thing again for 5.5. So once you have both of these, make sure to only have one enabled by putting a semicolon next to the other one. And now once you open up the game, it should say up at the top of the window that it's using whichever version of Giuroll that you have enabled. And yeah, okay, it seems like currently people are playing on 5.5. If you wanted to play with someone who is using 6.5 instead, then you would simply go over here and disable 5.5 by putting a semicolon next to it and enabling 6.5 by erasing the semicolon in front of it. And then you would save this text file again and simply relaunch Soku. And yeah, as you can see, it's 6.5. Yeah. Alright, have fun.